Hey friends, my name is T. I'm the Teen STEM Coordinator with Girls Inc. of Orange County, and my pronouns are she and her.
And I'm Taryn, the Elementary STEM Coordinator at Girls Inc. of Orange County. My pronouns are her and she.
So today the STEM team thought we would have a little fun with a DIY costume challenge. And with every challenge comes a set of rules.
Rule number 1, we will only have 30 minutes to complete our costume. Rule number 2, we can only use supplies provided to us in our mystery box, as well as common craft supplies. Rule number 3, we must use the random generator to choose our organism. Now let's use that generator and see what we get.
All right, Taryn, are you ready?
Ready.
We'll pick for you first.
Okay. Yay!
Yay!
Lenny is Chelsea's dog. Dogs are part of the genus Canis. They were the first animal species to be domesticated. They help humans with herding, protection, and rescue. More importantly, Lenny likes really long walks, he loves treats, and he loves going on vacation to the dog park.
We will now roll for me. Hopefully I don't also get Lenny. I got flower.
Okay.
Perfect.
Tori got flowers. Flowers are also called bloom or blossom. They function to aid in the pollination for the plant, and they've evolved over time to be more attractive to animals like us to aid in that pollination process. Before we start building, let's show some of the materials we'll be using today. Balloons.
Have my fan, this jacket, rain boots, this duck's hat without the beard though. Here we go. More balloons and rubber bands. What's your mystery items?
Oh, mystery items. Okay, this hat. I think this actually might come in handy. Some bubble wrap, a box of from butter, a lei, reusable sponge. That one's interesting.
Ready, set, go!
Now, welcome our special guest judge, Lydia Benjamin.
I am so honored to be here as the guest judge for this video. Thank you very much.
We have a few photos to share with you. We would like you to judge on a couple criteria.
Okay.
Creativity and authenticity. Here we have Taryn as Lenny, Chelsea's dog. Take it in.
Absolutely beautiful. Yes. Mm-hmm.
All right. And then we have me, Tori, as a flower, a bud to all.
Wow. Now, Tori, can I ask follow-up questions?
Absolutely.
What is covering your face?
On my face is a mask that I made. So I used safety goggles, like if you're working with chemicals, and then I taped a piece of yellow construction board and then construction paper, and then around all that is balloons. We can go back to Taryn's if you have any questions.
Yes, and Taryn, I have a follow-up question. What is on your shoulder?
That is my best friend, Chelsea.
Excellent. Lenny's owner.
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, I'm going to give my breakdown of both of these incredible efforts of STEMmy costumes. First, we'll go over Chelsea's dog, Lenny, aka Taryn in this case. And the authenticity that Taryn portrays here is just off the charts. As you can see, she has the ears to match Lenny's ears. The hat is the same color as Lenny's hair. Incredible attention to detail. Now we'll move on to Tori. Tori as a flower. The creativity is off the charts. It looks like a flower. You have the balloons that represent the colors of the flower, the leaves on your arm. You look like a flower. So now it is time for my final verdict. The winner of the 2020 STEM Costume Off is Lenny the dog.
Ah.
Woo!
What? Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you, Lydia, for being our guest judge. We will be sending in our acceptance speeches and our condolences speeches soon.
Excellent. Thank you very much for having me.
You know, I can honestly say, I can truly honestly say, I did not, just not at all see this coming. I mean, do you see my beautiful petals? Like, ugh. But everyone loves Lenny. Everyone loves Lenny. So I guess I could kind of see where it came from.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure you like and subscribe our channels. And guess what? We are also going to be on TikTok. Come check us out. And don't forget, you are strong, smart, and bold.